Welcome to yoga. Meet me in child's pose. With your knees wide, hips low, walk your arms forward and rest your forehead down on your mat. Take a scan of your body and notice if there's anything you're holding on to that you can let go, just by bringing awareness to it. Shoulders, jaw, eyes, hands, hips. And slowly rise. And make your way to a seated position. Shift your legs out in front of you. Then bring the soles of your feet together. Take your hands to your feet, and instead of trying to push your knees open down towards the ground, just feel your body relax into place as you slowly begin to hinge forward, folding over your legs. Let your head hang heavy. And feel your breath travel up and down your spine. With each exhale, washing away the tension, whether it's in your face, your jaw, your shoulders, or your hips. Feel your muscles settle into place over time. Sometimes all we really need to do to clean up is to just bring awareness to the junk that we've been living with this whole time. Really look around, feel it within. What is no longer serving you? What can you release? Take your time as you slowly rise. Draw your knees together and come to lie down on your back. For a figure 4, place your left ankle to your right knee and thread your hands through your legs to pull your shin in towards your body. Let your shoulders melt down towards your mat. Let your jaw relax. And see if you can go just a little bit deeper with each exhale. And gentle release and switch sides. Thread your hands through, giving a gentle pull. And breathe into the sensation that you feel. As if the inhales were washing in and the exhales were rinsing out. A gentle release, and hold your right knee into your body. Take your left leg long down on your mat. For a supine spinal twist, just draw your knee across your body, stretching from your right shoulder, right chest, all the way through your left hip. Come back to center and switch sides. Pull your left knee in, take your right leg long, draw your knee across your body, really stretch it out, breathe into it, let it feel good. And come back to center. Pull both knees into your body for a full wind pose. Feel your lower back reset. And feel free to take any other postures or variations that are calling out to you today. And when you're ready, meet me in shavasana. Take up as much space as you need. Feel your whole body unfold onto the ground as you lie open, fresh, and new. And gently close your eyes and bask into every sensation that you feel as your natural breath flows through your body. And take your time as you bring movement back into your fingers and toes. Take a big breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. Stretch through your fingers and toes, again in through your nose and out through your mouth. Reach your arms overhead. One more, in through your nose. Really stretch your body and out through your mouth. Then curl up on one side and use your hands to press yourself up to seated. Bring your hands together at heart center and close your eyes. And take a moment to find gratitude for committing to yourself in your practice today. For releasing what no longer serves you so that you can show up new, open, and ready to whatever opportunity lies ahead. And remember that where your breath goes, your body follows. So let your breath be fluid, strong, and calm. Just like you. Namaste.